How do you machine a 30-ton shaft with a smooth, high-quality surface? Many factories struggle with large shaft machining. Problems like vibration, deflection, and poor surface finish are very common. This is a real customer using our heavy-duty lathe. They are machining a large shaft, swing diameter 2 meters, length 16 meters, weight up to 30 tons. For parts like this, machine rigidity and stability are critical. Our lathe ensures stable cutting under heavy load, reducing vibration and improving surface finish. As you can see, the shaft is rotating smoothly and the surface looks bright and clean. If you have similar large shaft projects, contact us for a reliable solution.
Large shaft machining in progress. Stable rotation with minimal vibration. Smooth cutting performance. Consistent surface finish along the full length. High rigidity ensures precision. Ideal for long and heavy shaft machining. Reliable solution for demanding industries.